Welcome to Second Life Upcycling. In this beginner-friendly upcycling and sewing tutorial, I'll show you tips I use to tailor coats that I buy thrifting to fit me. I picked up this animal print trench coat for $5. It was brand new and still had the tags attached. Because I have basic sewing and upcycling skills, I'm not restricted by what I buy based on size. I thrift based on fabric and style, knowing I can alter it to fit, and that's what I did with this jacket. The first step was to remove the belt loops, saving these for later. The coat wasn't lined, so this was a really easy alteration. I decided to simply take in the side seams from under the sleeve down to the bottom hem. First, I cut off the bottom hem so I could sew a straight side seam. This would reduce the bulkiness when I'm sewing the new side seams and give me a nicer bottom hem. Had I wanted to reduce the length of the coat down to a blazer, I could have taken the hem up at this stage. I decided to keep it as a long trench coat. The coat wasn't lined, so this was a really easy alteration. I decided to simply take in the side seams from under the sleeve down to the bottom hem. Then I re-sewed the bottom hem. Next, I took up the sleeves because they were too long. Luckily, there was a current sleeve hem in place that I could use as a guide and simply turn it over to shorten the sleeves. When upcycling and altering clothes, I always look for shortcuts. Then I had to alter the front lapel. Because the original sizing was larger, after I made the coat width smaller, the lapels were oversized and overwhelmed the front of the coat. To reduce them down, I simply reduced and re-hemmed the lapels. This was easy and made a lot of difference. And finally, to keep the lapels down as they had a tendency to lift up, I found some matching buttons in my button stash and sewed them at the corner of the lapel. And here it is finished. While the before and after photos don't look drastically different, the difference when wearing the trench is dramatic. Thanks for watching. If you would like to see more quick and practical upcycling projects like this, please throw me a thumbs up. It really helps. I upload upcycling videos weekly, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss more inspiration. See you next time.